Welcome to your unconventional commencement.
Greetings to everyone, students, families and friends, FIT faculty, staff and administration, and other distinguished guests. I am Dr. Giacomo Oliva, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and it is my distinct pleasure to welcome all of you to this very special virtual event in celebration of the members of FIT's graduating class and the completion of their associate and baccalaureate degrees. We wish that we could be with you here today in person to share these joyous proceedings, for they underscore the importance of higher learning and mark a significant milestone in our students' education. Nonetheless, we are thankful that through the power of technology, we are able to come together virtually to recognize and congratulate our graduates for all that they have accomplished. We sincerely hope that you enjoy our commencement ceremony today.
Commencement is about the future, and we are celebrating the start of a new phase in all of your lives as holders of well-earned FIT degrees. Commencement is also about the past, as you follow in the footsteps of graduates before you. And now we proceed with one of FIT's commencement traditions, the transfer of colors. The Fashion Institute of Technology was founded in 1944 during World War II by individuals of great vision. It began in borrowed space with borrowed equipment. But one item of its own was an American flag. The flag has been handed down as a visible demonstration of the way each class touches the next in a never-ending chain.
And as we honor the American flag, so too we honor the flags of all countries, as represented by the flag of the United Nations, as tribute to the diversity of our community and the world.
FIT is a public institution that serves many. Among the most important are the people of New York State. Our flag is a deep blue. Our students will transfer from one class to the other the colors of the state of New York. The city of New York is also served by this great institution. The city's Dutch heritage is identified by the colors of its flag, orange, white, and blue. Our students will now transfer from one class to the other the colors of the city of New York. The flag that remains is FIT's. It is blue, symbolizing aspiration, dedication, and achievement. It represents the faith in education with a purpose that was held by the founders of this college with great pride. We conclude this traditional ceremony by asking our students to transfer from one class to the other the colors of the Fashion Institute of Technology of the State University of New York. Madam President, the colors have been transferred.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. The past year and a half has not been easy, as we live through moments in history such as the pandemic, the Black Lives Matter movement, virtual schooling, the Stop Asian Hate movement, and many more. You persisted through and discovered the silver linings of being virtual. You coped with being away from family and friends, you found employment in a scarce job market, and for some, you managed to stay sane being at home. These are a few of many victories you may have encountered, and I hope they remind you all how strong you are. The former SGA president, Sally Haas, once said, "You are not a student first, but a human being." After today, some of you may not be students, but remember that you are not a job, You are not a service. You are a human being, and your feelings are always validated. Reflect, forgive, and rest because you deserve it. We are all unique people from different walks of life, and I encourage you to listen to understand others. Hate and bigotry are not accepted here and not accepted for any reason. Protect your neighbors and check in with your friends and family. You never know what battle people are going through. It's okay not to be okay, but always remember that you have the power to create your reality. Thank you to all the families and everyone at FIT for believing in us, and I wish nothing but the best for everyone. Thank you.
As the president of the Faculty Senate, and on behalf of all the faculty of the Fashion Institute of Technology, congratulations. You have not only graduated from an incredible institution, but you have done so in one of the most unusual times in the history of FIT. You persevered not only with the numerous and challenging tasks that normally comprise a degree, but with everything extra that the world could throw at you as well. For this reason, we, the faculty, know and are completely certain that success will follow you wherever you go. Congratulations again.
Good evening, my name is Jhagrun Wong and I'm honored to speak on behalf of the AAS class of 2021. In these 2 short years, each of us have had our own unique experiences at FIT, but one thing that we all share in common is living through a pandemic. Many of us struggled to adapt to remote learning, be it due to the scarcity of technology, declined productivity levels, or time zone differences for my fellow international friends. I have never seen more sunrises in my life, but being here today means that we have all conquered the unforeseen circumstances together. Congratulations. Something that I learned during my time at FIT that I will bring with me throughout my life is to challenge myself by trying new things, even if I feel fear. I encourage you to ask questions even if you think you might sound stupid, apply for roles even if you think you're unqualified, and take extra classes even if you think they might be too much work. Trying everything I could, even though it wasn't 100% guaranteed to work, made my journey a memorable one. It left me with invaluable opportunities, newfound interests, and lifelong relationships because I stepped out of my comfort zone. You never know unless you try. Congratulations once again, class of 2021. Whether you're furthering your studies, going to the workforce, or something else, always remember to step out of your comfort zone. After all, we would not be where we are today if we had not taken any chances. So take on your fears and explore what your world holds.
Congratulations, class of 2020 and class of 2021. This is your own very glorious day. This may not be the commencement that you dreamed of, but in no way does the lack of traditional ritual take away from your achievement. Naturally, you didn't arrive at FIT wanting to be known as the classes of COVID-19, but perhaps there's another way to look at it. Last year, in a commencement speech that he delivered in Ohio, Tom Hanks called you the chosen ones. Chosen because you chose to succeed. You chose to complete your choice of studies. You chose, in the face of an unimaginable fate, to graduate. And here you are. You walked through that storm and you claimed your place and you found your voice. And indeed, this is your day. And though the pandemic will forever be part of your identity, there's something else, something more important that distinguishes you. In your time with us, the world, the country, and our campus as well became the canvas for some of the era's most difficult, divisive issues. Racism and bigotry of every description, gun violence, immigration, police brutality, climate change. And you looked at the violence and the bigotry and the destruction of the environment in the face and in ways that cannot be misinterpreted or ignored. You said no. You raised your voice, you rallied, you protested and petitioned, You put your elected officials and your FIT professors, all the administrators, and me as well, on notice and demanded change. Fairness, equity, diversity, respect. You became change agents for a world in desperate need of repair. You give me hope for a better future. However, now you face more choices as you step into the careers that you prepared for at FIT and life, real life, takes over. How are you going to nurture your sense of purpose? As you start to grow and build new families and friendships, and new experiences shape your perspectives, what values will you hold dear and continue to fight for? What will be your North Star? Well, my bet is on you. In times of unprecedented peril, you chose the light and proved that you have the power to make a difference. So class of 2020 and class of 2021, I will be watching as you make your mark. And I want to wish you much success and Godspeed. And now I am thrilled to be able to introduce your commencement speaker and the recipient of the 2021 President's Award for Creative Excellence. I suspect that this is a woman who needs no introduction. She's an actress, a singer, a producer, a director, and entrepreneur. I bring you Tracy Ellis Ross.
FIT! Classes of 2020 and 2021, woohoo! I am so honored to be your commencement speaker this year, and oh, how I wish we were together in person celebrating this powerful, beautiful moment in your lives, and also so that I could see what great outfits you all would have chosen to wear under your cap and your gowns. But honestly, there's pretty much no one else that I would rather be with than a group of creators and innovators. I think you all are doing the work of angels, seriously. I have loved and treasured fashion, design, and craftsmanship from a very, very, very young age. I basically came out of the womb with two things: joy and a hankering for all things exquisitely designed, be it a doll, jewelry, a table, a building, ceramics, textiles, turnstiles, album covers, and trust me, I've seen an album cover or two in my day. I've witnessed the power of a kick-ass suit and a beaded gown, a church hat, and a great commercial. I have lost myself in way too many games of Miss Pac-Man than I care to admit. Main titles for TV shows reside in my heart for eternity. I love a beautifully bound book, pillowcases, sheets, and French antiques, wallpaper, light fixtures, sofas, rugs, and did I mention shoes? Shoes. I have always loved shoes. I notice it all. It offers me fuel, and all of it is an integral part of my identity and self-expression. Some of you are leaving FIT as designers of toys, interiors, cars, games, and packaging, photographers, illustrators, architects, animators, and filmmakers. Some of you are on the business side of these creative industries, heading into advertising, marketing, or journalism. Or you will become experts in art, cosmetics, home products, and textiles. So basically, you all will be making things for me. Or you will be building retail strategies or managing sustainable supply chains, which also fascinate me as someone who has launched her own beauty business, Pattern Beauty, and is building a plane as I am flying it, so to speak. What unites everyone here graduating today is creativity. That is what brought you to FIT. You all are dream weavers, the spice rack of our lives. I can tell you from experience that we need people who are professionally bilingual, who speak both design and business, creativity and commerce. So whether you end up on the creative side or the business side of this industry, you will have an opportunity to use your talent as a gateway into changing perceptions. and that is vitally important. You will be telling the stories of what's happening in our lives, particularly at this inflection point that we're in right now. Fashion and design give us an opportunity to make a statement about who we are and what matters to us. So I ask you, who are you and what matters to you? Keep asking yourself that question year after year. Let your heart and your gut be your guide, and be excellent at what you do. And as the great John Lewis said, you must be bold, brave, and courageous, and find a way to get in the way. So how will you get in the way in your own way? How will you stand for justice, freedom, equity, inclusion, choice, and safety? Because we no longer have the luxury of not being bold, brave, and courageous. Let your work comfort, inspire, offer an escape, or be a platform. People will have a piece of you, your energy, your vision, along with them at pivotal moments in their lives. So know your impact and use it wisely. I'm counting on you. What it takes to be a creative force and graduate is no small feat, and to do it now, this year, bravo! Creating in a bubble and not in community is not easy. Making a transition into virtual learning in the middle of your education, that's no joke. So I already know that you are determined. Taking that determination out with you into the world is a challenge, but knowing the education that you've had, the mentors who have guided you, and the outstanding work that you've done to earn this degree, I'm absolutely sure you're going to crush it. So please get in the way every chance you have. Go big and go bold, and I want you to know that I will be cheering you on every stilettoed step of the way. Congratulations. How's my hat? Let's make it more fluffy. Ah, much better. Congratulations. Bravo, bravo. Oh, a round of applause and a standing ovation.
Greetings. I am Shannon Mayer, Interim Dean of the J. and Patty Baker School of Business and Technology. Madam President, it is my pleasure and honor to introduce to you the candidates recommended by the faculty of the Baker School of Business and Technology for conferral of the Associate in Applied Science and Bachelor of Science degrees from the Fashion Institute of Technology.
Faith Vogel, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Chloe Wade, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Rebecca Walsh, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Michaela Waltz, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Rundi Wong, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Ruolin Wong, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Colette Ward, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Riley Ward, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Eliana Wenger, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Azani White, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Rebecca Williams, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Mackenzie Wingate, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Taylor Winston, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Melanie Whitman, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Georgia Wicksted, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Troy Wood, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Brian Wren, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Sarah Wright, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Siang Wu, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Xiaohui Wu, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management.
Throughout one's life, we have to make a lot of choices, and joining FIT is one of the best choices I have made.
Nan Xiao, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Tian Xin, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Kana Yamamoto, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Stella Yang, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Tengwei Yap, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Fadi Yassin, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Brandon Yi, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Fiona Zajac, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Hendry Zaldana Valle, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Amy Zale, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Coral Zangi, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Carson Zenner, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Nancy Zhang, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Ling Qian Zhang, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Wenqing Zhang, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. William Zhang, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Helen Zhao, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Karen Zheng, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Natasha Consuelo Zobel de Ayala, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Caitlin Zorzi, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Olivia Zilke, Associate in Applied Science, Fashion Business Management. Jordan Abella, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Rawana Adalkanova, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Young Il On, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jaren Ahona, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Abby Aksoy, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Amal Alam, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Kamila Al-Jawani, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Emily Marie Altieri, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Nicole Amalfitano, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Giovanna Annunziata, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Brenda Araujo, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Muskan Aurora, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Hi, hope you're all safe and well. Firstly, I want to thank a couple of people. That's my parents, Mitul, Tejas, Ahana, Anshika, Dikshita, Reet, Manya. Love you guys. And congratulations to all the graduates.
Manuela Artundwaga, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Savannah Aguiliaro, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Abril Batista, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lauren Batista, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Elise Batten, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Banu Bikret, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alec Beninati, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jessica Bianchi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Ashley Bloom, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alexander Bocchino, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alyssa Boving, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Catherine Bondi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Mia Bongardino, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. John Bove, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Mary Boylan, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Sarah Brancy Forte, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, and congratulations, class of 2021!
Stephanie Bravo, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Bridget Brearley, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Denisio Brown, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Imani Brown, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Andrea Brugnoli, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Olivia Burke, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jenna Butler, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Andrea Bowalda, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Avery Bistrom, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Ashley Cabrera, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jasmine Cabrera, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Tatiana Camarda, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Dana Camberary, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Erin Campbell, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Christina Canlis, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Dominique Caparicini, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jenna Carbone, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Christina Carlo, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Monat Cespedes, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yi Tsu Chong, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jianhui Chen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Ying Chi Chen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Artek Chapchian, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Kelly Chester, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Cecilia Cho, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Un So Cho, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Bo Hyun Choi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Eugene Choi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Paloma Christoph, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alana Charcha, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lois Sinarli, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Eliza Clark Burton, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Christine Cleary, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Haley Clemens, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Elle Kaufman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Talia Cohen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Trinity Coleman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Kiara Colin, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alyssa Conti, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Trevor Cook, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. William Cooksley, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Reese Cooper, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Batania Kozajay, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lauren Crooks, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Julia Cruz, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Mary Daly, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Chelsea Davis, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Corey Davis, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Liana Marie de Jesus, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Noel De Castro, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Conchetta De Fabritas, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Happy graduation!
Alexa De Leon, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Christine Delgado, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Susanna Delgado, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Christina DeMartin, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Holden Dent, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Madeline Deutsch, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Chelsea Diaz, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Sabrina Diaz, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Cameron Dodds, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Emiliana Dominguez Lopez, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Desiree Dawson, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Faith, fashion, and future. Without the love and the support from my family, I would not be here today. Congratulations, class of 2021. We did it.
Stephanie Drake, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Sydney Drake, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Amelie Dewar, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yvette Dunbar, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Defn Daiko, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Sierra Rose E. Banks, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jimmy Elzaki, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Nicole Atesami, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Juliana Eugene, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Josephine Falk, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Emily Fallon, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Anthony Feliciano, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Noel Ficaris, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Holly Fisher, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lauren Fitzgerald, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Wendy Flores, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Dana Flynn, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Victoria Fonseca, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lacey Fossler, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Cassidy Franco, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Maya Freeman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Madeline Gaudreau, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Thank you to my friends and family, and especially my parents for getting me through these 4 years. I couldn't have done it without you. Love you.
Amanda Gavris, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Miranda Georgian, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Anna Sophia Ginebra Cochon, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Braca Gold, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Brooke Gonzalez, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Olivia Gonzalez, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Madison Gooding, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Arena Goodman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Carrie Graff, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Lindsay Kramer, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Erin Green, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. James Griffin, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Claire Grossman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alexandra Groter, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Martha Guillen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Bridget Gunn, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Hannah Guzik, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Connor Haffey, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Janan Helene, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Tejal Hainel, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Evelyn Hardiman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Despite the nightmare the past year has been, my dream still came true. Class of 2021, I claimed you.
Mackenzie Harlan, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Bianca Hartado, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Shani Hashemi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Eileen Elizabeth Hedger, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Katie Heelig, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Abigail Helen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jenna Henley, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Celine Henry, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jennifer Hapler, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Eileen Hernandez, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yanaris Herrera, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Cynthia Herskowitz, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Brianna Hines, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Miranda Hain, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Shiling Huang, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Jenny Huang, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Leon Huang, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Olivia Huang, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yuan Huang, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Tovalia Hume, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yvette Hurst, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Emma Mari Hussein, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Victoria Hoin, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Paige Hyman, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Amy Idonisi, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Michael Ingram, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Joyce Ishikawa, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Cameron ITTS, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Kiara Jackson, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Germina James, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Eric Jasinski, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
Hi, I'd like to thank all my friends and family for all their support, especially my mom Paulina, my dad Greg, and my boyfriend Lincoln. I couldn't have done it without you guys.
Kalia Jenkins, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Holly Jenkins, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yuchul John, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Shani Jhagrun, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alyssa Barafato, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Amanda Bagania de Paula Vega, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Faith Gublow, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Emily Enjibus, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Tiana Abel, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Abraham Azami, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Jillian Gordon, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Claire Lean, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Noah Raywitz, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Austin Sanchez, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Jialing Shen, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Lawrence Darabin, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Allison Weber, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Fashion Design. Josette Deegan, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Yanis Granados, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Hugh Huion Nguyen, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Alexa Robel, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management. Gakei Chan, Bachelor of Science, Fashion Business Management.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the State of New York and the trustees of the State University of New York, and upon the recommendation of the faculty, I confer upon all of you who have completed our requirements the Associate in Applied Science degree and Baccalaureate degree, respectively, with all of its rights and privileges. Congratulations. It is now my pleasure to recognize you as FIT alumni by asking you to shift your tassel, whose color represents the level of the degree that you earned today, from right to left, and you are now official. Congratulations.
Time to turn the tassel. All right, graduated.
Onward and upward, congratulations.
Woohoo! Yes, you did it! Congratulations! All that hard work paid off. Congratulations!
Congratulations, guys. We love you very much. You made it. Please stay in touch.
Woohoo! Yeah! Congratulations! Congratulations! Woohoo! May all your dreams come true.
Congratulations. You made it. You should be so proud.
Woo!
Oh.